tape it, and make it. Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you a taping technique especially for the patella, for the kneecap. Problems around the kneecap, or especially the patellar tip syndrome, which we find in this area. For this we need 2 Kintex pre-cut tapes, which we lay with the base from bottom to top, and once with the base from top to bottom. In addition, a strip is fixed here in the area of the pain point itself. Before we can start, we bend the knee to about 80 degrees. Now we loosen the first strip of pre-cut tape, fold it once in the middle along the perforation, and tear the tape along there. Next, we remove the backing paper from the base and fix it to the shin below the tip of the kneecap. Now, we remove the paper from the outer strip and pull it around the outside, counterclockwise, above the kneecap, and fix it directly below the base of the tape. The next step is to loosen the paper of the inner strip and tape it clockwise, around the inside, up over the kneecap, back outside, and down to the base of the tape. Then we tear the second strip of the pre-cut from the roll, fold it, simply separate the strips, loosen the backing paper, and tape the base just above the kneecap, on the thigh muscle. Now peel off the paper of the outer strip and tape the outer strip, overlapping them by about a half, around the knee, directly onto the first strip. Next, detach the second strip from the paper and, while pulling, tape it around the inside, counterclockwise, directly underneath the kneecap, and let it end at the top of the base. Then we take our prepared, smaller strip, loosen the paper, and tape the tape, under maximum pull, directly onto the pain area. Fix it and let the base run out on the left and right. Finally, rub everything well. The resulting heat and pressure ensure that the adhesive of the tape reaches its maximum adhesion. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.